What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and to this new video. And my microphone was a little bit far away, so now you can hear me better. Welcome back to this new video and welcome back to Cilinix. And in this video I wanted to talk a little bit about Apecoin. I haven't covered Apecoin in a long time, but today I saw that it was relatively bullish, so I thought this would be a good time to kind of catch up with it, see what happens afterwards. Apecoin was really bearish throughout the last weeks. Multiple reasons for that, I believe. Obviously, when it got launched, it was a big hype around it. And usually those hyped up coins, they tend to fall a little bit harder in the months after that. And if you also have a bear market with that, they tend to fall even harder. So it's now at $3.8. As you can see, I mean, here it was already more bullish than most cryptos at the 26th of May. And then throughout the 11th of June, obviously after those inflation rate numbers, we dropped down even more. Most cryptos did that, so that's not that weird. But yeah, today was relatively bullish, as you can see. You can see that we found support here, let's say above $3, so between 3.3 and $3, and that has been holding for the last week or so. With some spikes, but what you can see is that we're still being pressured down by both this trend line right here, but also by these EMAs, and that's just the general consensus on what's happening with Apecoin right now. So today was relatively bullish. We broke out of this level around 3.65, as you can see, but now we found resistance at that 50 EMA, and I do think that 50 EMA is going to hold up. We might find one more support touch off of that 3.6, 3.65 level. Get up to $4, but after that I do expect us to drop down to 3.2 and 3.05 again, and we don't have to have this support move. It could also be something like this, but that is possible. But the main idea behind it is that I do think we're going to drop down. So what's happening next? That would be the most interesting question for now, and that is really still up for debate. And therefore this is more of a price analysis rather than a price prediction, I think. I do have a bias, and I will explain that to you. But what you're going to have is this consolidation, and this support is holding on pretty well. $3 is a strong psychological support level. So somewhere within the next 4 days, you're going to have this area being squeezed out, right? Because you got these EMAs and a trend line and just a general downtrend. You got that coming down on us right now. And then that support is still holding, presumably at least. So what you're going to have is you're either going to have a breakout out of a 3.65 somewhere at the beginning of next week, or somewhere throughout the middle of next week, which would be good, because if we can get that, we can actually confirm that we're holding this consolidation for a little bit longer, and there might even be a small chance for a little bit more bullish momentum up to 4.5 and $5. But the other scenario, and that is a little bit the scenario which I am biased towards, would be that we are going to get squeezed down. At the end, we're still in a bear market, and Apecoin hasn't been that strong for a long time. So I think it is more likely that, I mean, you can see it right here, right? If we're going to paint it a little bit, you got this 50 EMA coming down, you got this 100 EMA, you got that trend line. So what you're going to have if we drop down to that 3.2 level within the next 2 days, what you're going to have is we will be down here with the price. I mean, it won't be easy to break above 3.6 easily afterwards. So what you're going to have is you're going to get squeezed out with this support probably, and then this resistance level. So you're going to get something like this, and we shouldn't have drawn a triangle there, but you know what I mean. I mean, you got this resistance, then this will be the main resistance, not $4. This will be the main resistance. So if we break out of that, we can at least consolidate and maybe get some small uptrend. I doubt it, but it's possible. But I think it's more likely that downtrend is stronger, and that will break down below $3. And once we break below $3, we're dropping down to 2.5. 2.5 is a pretty strong support, so I think we got a better chance of actually holding that and get some bullish momentum from there. But yeah, this scenario is what I'm biased towards for the next week, basically. So that was basically my update on Apecoin for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis and about the prediction, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.